Welcome to the Systems Presenters training video. My name's David, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the newly released RAG scoring function within SFD. Now, the RAG scoring has been added to the treatment completion screens, which can be found in the setup page via the tooth in the top left hand corner. On that setup page we go to the miscellaneous section and find our treatment completion screens. I'll then see a list of our current treatment completion screens, and I'm going to select to edit my RAG assessment. On that screen you'll now see I have the option of RAG. I can select to create a new one and then populate the name and caption. Now this could be used for such things as oral health score, periodontal history and patient social history, but in our case I'm going to set it up for periodontal history. You can then see that I've got the options for green, amber, red and not applicable. Now I can edit these types to rename the caption for each colour. In this case so I'll stick with those original options and select OK. You can then adjust the RAG to display how you would like it to, and once complete we just click Save at the bottom. Now to use this for a patient, I just open up a patient's record and go into their clinical notes. From within there we've got the TCS option at the top of the notes. That's where we'll then find our RAG assessment. I can then click OK and load up that screen, where I can then select the periodontal history and click Save. That'll then record in the clinical notes. And as you'll see, it'll display the colour of the score provided. Now also just be aware that you can link these treatment completion screens to treatment items. So by going to the items section in setup, I can load up an applicable item, and within that item setup we've got the custom screen option. That's where I can then go on to select the RAG assessment, meaning that when we tick that item as complete, it would load up our RAG assessment automatically. Thanks for watching. You'll find more videos as well as a series of FAQ help guides on our website. For other inquiries or support requests, please don't hesitate to call.